Today, we are going to see the important points regarding the ledger. That is, the rules to be followed while preparing ledger. First one is, each side of a journal entry is posted in the same side of the ledger. So what does it mean? It means the debit entry of a journal is posted in the debit side of the ledger, and credit side entry of a journal is posted in the credit side of the ledger. Okay. Then balance C/D. It refers to balance carried down, and balance B/D. It refers to the balance brought down. Then after posting in ledger, balancing of ledger is done. So in the column named total, the figure comes on the basis of whichever is higher. It means if the total of debit side is rupees 10,000 and the total of credit is rupees 5,000, then we will write rupees 10,000 in the column named total of both the debit and credit side. Okay. Then the difference of both sides. So in this case it is what? Rupees 5,000. So it will be written in the last row of the credit side as balance carried down. And this balance is called the debit balance of account or vice versa. Then all expenses and assets, that will represent a debit balance. Then all the incomes and liabilities, it represents credit balance including capital account. Understood? Then debit balance of personal account, it represents what? It is amount receivable. So this will come under the category of assets. For example, debtors. Credit balance of personal account, that signifies amount payable. So that will come under liability side. So it represents that we need to pay this amount which is credited due to either goods or service or loan, etc. Then debit side of real account means stock in hand or any kind of assets. And the credit balance of real account is not possible. Debit balance of nominal account, it means expenses of the organization. Credit balance of nominal account means income earned. Then debit balance of cash book means what? It is the cash in hand. Then in the case of bank book, debit side means balance at bank. And credit balance of bank book indicates bank overdraft. Debit and credit balances of nominal account, that is the expenses and income, that will be nil because these balances will get transferred to the trading and profit and loss account. So in order to arrive at the profit and loss of the company, we will be transferring all the incomes and expenses to the trading and profit and loss account. Okay. Then balances of real and personal account, that will appear in balance sheet of the company and it is to be carried forward to the next accounting year.